All right, so on these questions, we're going to be looking at questions that they want us to answer in standard form. Now, to remind you, standard form is in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. The x and y are on the same side, and your x value is positive, and you also don't have any fractions. So we're given the point, and we're given the slope. So I'm going to write y is equal to 9 halves x plus b, and I'm going to use this point for x and y. So this is going to become 2 is equal to 9 halves times negative 4 plus b. That becomes negative 2. Negative 2 times 9 gives me 18. So that's going to be, or negative 18. I'm going to add 18. 18, 19, 20. So b is equal to 20. So my equation is going to be y is equal to 9 halves x plus 20. Now I need to get rid of my fraction here, so I'm going to multiply everything by 2. Now remember, I have to distribute this to every term, so this is going to become 2y is equal to 9x plus 40. Move the 9x over, so this is negative 9x plus 2y is equal to 40. I need to switch all my signs. So this becomes negative or positive 9x minus 2y is equal to negative 40. That gives me my answer choice H. All right. Next question. Same equation in standard. So ax plus by is equal to c with the point and the slope. I'm going to use point slope form on this one. So y minus 8. So that becomes plus. It's equal to 1/4 times x minus 4. Distribute. So this becomes y plus 8 is equal to 1/4 x minus 1. Subtract 9, subtract 8. I don't know why I said 9. Y is equal to, I know why I said 9, because it's going to be equal to 9. My brain was working ahead. All right, now I need to get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to multiply by my denominator, which is 4. So I'm going to multiply every term by 4. So this becomes 4y is equal to x, and then that's going to be minus 36. Move the x over, so that becomes negative x plus 4y is equal to negative 36. That eliminates d and b. Switch my signs. This becomes x minus 4y is equal to positive 36. So that gives me my answer choice A. All right, we're going to do a new section here, doing linear equations with two variables given table. So let's talk about what we need to do with that. So if I look at my answer choices, they're in point slope form. And the important thing is to let me know that this is my slope, this is my x1, and this is my y1. I also need to note that it's going to be opposite. So I need to check if I pull this out, this point here, this is going to end up being negative 7, negative 2. This point here is going to be 7, 2. Okay, this point here is going to be negative 7, negative 2. This point here is going to be 7, 2. Okay, so let's see if we can eliminate by looking at these points. So negative 7, and then negative 2, that's there. So that's not going to work. Well, let's see, if we go to 7 and then positive 2, that's going to work. So it's going to eliminate A, and we're going to eliminate C. So the difference between B and D are these slopes. There's no negative or positive slope. They're both positive. So I need to just find my slope. And in order to determine my slope on here, I need to pick two perfect points. Well, I have a point right here, and I also have a perfect point there. I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now when I'm looking at a slope like this, my slope is going to be rise over run. My rise was 5 and my run was 7. So that gives me my answer choice D. I'm going to go over the next question in the next video because I don't want this to get too long.